It's definitely been a minute since we jumped back into Flashback Anarchy, but today I'm feeling lucky. I'm gonna do 2 flashback packs, that's right. You gotta risk it if you want the biscuit, and I'm fucking hungry. Now there are a ton of trolls in this flashback pack, and we're probably gonna pull them, but one man can only hope, baby. Now we have Madden, 96 overall defensive tackle. This is the card that we want to get. He's got that 94 pursuit, 98 power move, 93 block shedding, and 98 strength. Other one is going to be 94 overall Jimmy Graham for the Saints 2011. Now I do use Hines Ward, a wide receiver at tight end. It'd be nice to actually get a tight end in the tight end position. Going for almost 800,000 coins, 88 speed, 96 spec catch, 68 run blocking, 94 catch, man. I gotta get this dude. And last but not least, in my opinion, the holy grail of flashbacks right now, 94 overall Antonio Cromartie. He always plays so well in Madden Ultimate Team. 95 speed, 97 man coverage, 83 catching, 90 press. I'm pulling one of these 3 cards right here, right now. Now, what I didn't talk to you guys about in the beginning of the video are all the cards that we're probably going to pull that we don't want. There are a ton of flashbacks that, in my opinion, this late in the game, this many badges need to just be taken out. There's so many of them in the market. Some of them go for like 30,000 coins. Those we definitely don't want to get, man. Definitely have good positive vibes right now. Flashback pack number 1. Jason Hatcher, 91 overall. Jason Hatcher, 80 speed, 97 finesse move, 91 pursuit, 89 strength, and 84 tackle. Now this card doesn't go for very much. We got our shitty pull over with. Luckily for us, we're doing 2. This is the one that's gonna have Nadamakasu in it. This is the one Jimmy Graham comes out of. I feel it, bro. I smell it. You smell it? I smell it. Flashback number 2. Now, before I open this, guys, if you want me to do some more flashbacks in the future, you already know what to do. Smack a like on the button, and I'll keep pumping it out for you. Here we go. Flashback number 2. Of course, they're going to troll me. That's a good sign. That is a good sign. I want to back out and go to my packs. That's exactly what I want to do right here. Can we clutch it out with a 94 overall pull? Moment of silence. Nobody fucking move. Let's do this. Flashback number 2. Why?